Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to unblock someone in Snapchat. Okay, first of all go to Snapchat and tap at little profile icon at top left. Now tap at the settings option at top right. And here it is your all settings options. Now just here is your options from last three, like clear, cache, logout, save in, login info and blocked, and tap on here. Sometimes we have anger issues with our friends or someone's, but we have to unblock them, so you can just do it so easily. Okay, now tap on the cross button, and here is a question for you: are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Yes, I do. Okay, tap on yes, and okay, this person is not blocked, it is unblocked. Okay, thank you for watching.